Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Quick Settings and accessing the Hotspot control. This gets you straight into the right panel. Once done, locate the Hotspot tile. It may read Mobile Hotspot, and long press it to open the dedicated settings screen. You do this because Quick Settings gives a shortcut to system toggles, saving time versus digging through menus. Make sure the hotspot is off while exploring options so you won't accidentally disconnect devices as settings change. Now you dive into notifications for the tethering service so you can control alerts. Tap the three-dot menu or Advanced, then choose Notifications or App Notifications for the hotspot or tethering entry. This reveals the different alert channels. You'll see options like Show Notifications, Importance, or Silent. Set the channel to silent or turn off notifications outright to stop persistent banners. Doing this at the channel level prevents the system from re-enabling alerts after updates, which is why it's more reliable. Finish by validating the change. Exit settings and check Quick Settings. No hotspot notification should appear while turned off. If you still see alerts, reboot the phone to apply notification channel changes system-wide. Make sure to rule out third-party apps by testing in safe mode because some utility apps can re-enable or mirror hotspot notifications. If problems continue, clear the Settings app cache or visit Device Care to inspect notification permissions. These steps resolve most stubborn cases quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.